So I always get asked this question all the time. When I bought my house, I bought with an FHA loan. Most first-time buyers do FHA, conventional, some do as well. But there's so many programs out there between FHA and down payment assistance, whether you're a first-time buyer or even not a first-time buyer, there's down payment assistance out there, that there's opportunities out there to buy. You know, and I always tell everybody, look, I rented, everybody rents in their life. You never not rent at some point, right? But when you get to the home ownership stage, you got to look at the different opportunities that are out there. FHA has lower interest rates, has mortgage insurance, which isn't the best thing in the world, but its lower interest rate helps out a ton. Down payment's only 3.5%. Then you got closing costs, about 2% usually on an FHA loan. Down payment assistance helps with down payment, and there's closing cost assistance. The average person gets about $17,000 in assistance. $17,000 to help you buy a house. Now that doesn't mean it's gonna be your long-term loan, right? You're gonna be in that loan for a little bit of time, but let's say 3, 4, 5 years, you wanna do either a cash out, pay off some debt, remodel the house, or you just wanna do a rate and term refinance and lower your payment. You're gonna get out of that loan at some point, right? So you gotta look at the math. The math has to make sense as always, right? So I just want you to know there's lots of options out there for home ownership. Don't sit on the sidelines worrying about, I can never buy a house. Everyone has an opportunity to buy a house. You just gotta have the right team and right plan in place to do it. As always, I'll bring the facts, I'll bring the data, you just gotta bring the decision.